Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to take a look at an electrical receptacle that has two USB ports, and this is actually designed for your mobile devices, anything USB that needs charging. So let's go ahead and check it out. You have two USB ports with a high current power of 2.1 amp, 5 volt DC. Charge most compatible electrical devices directly without an adapter. Tamper-resistant shutters. Replace a standard duplex receptacle. Back and side wire for easy installation. ETL listed and FCC approved. Compatible with a wide range of electronic devices, including but not limited to iPads, tablets, mobile phones, Galaxies, Bluetooth, digital cameras, Kindles. Now, if your device's combined power requirements exceed the power capacity of the USB ports, the charger will automatically shut down to protect your devices. So there it is. A really nice, easy solution for, a certain spot where you need charging. I mean, if you're like me, I got a couple kids at home, the chargers all the time are moving around, and it's nice just to have one somewhere where you can constantly get an easy charge quickly for your phone or mobile device. So there it is. Order online, and if you need a more detailed spec sheet, it's also there at DiscountLowVoltage.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.